Hey everyone, Jeremy Roskus here, and today I'll be doing the opening to The Busy World of Richard Scarry, The Snowstorm from 1993.
Welcome to the busy world of Richard Scarry on home video.
Play it safe.
Loli, come on! I have to get groceries at the market before it closes. Stop! Look and listen.
Never run onto the street, not even to chase a ball. Never cross between parked cars, cause drivers won't see you at all. Always cross at the corner, remember to look both ways. Stop, look and listen, is a rule that always pays. And just stop, look and listen, yeah. Pay attention at a light, don't ever cross on red. But when it's green and walk appears, look then go ahead. And just stop, look and listen, yeah. Always stop, look and listen.
The grocery store is closed.
Better late than never.
Lots of busy world of Richard Scarry videos are available.
We're exploring
Our busy world. Let's go!
Look for the best birthday present ever.
Thank you. What can this be? It's a wonderful present.
You like it?
Sergeant Murphy's Day Off.
It looks like there's some kind of
Daddy, here's the best father and policeman ever.
Wait! Cut the water! I said cut the water!
The busiest firefighters ever.
Excuse me? My goodness. Good acceleration.
Mr. Frumble's new cars.
We're all floating. There's no gravity.
A trip to the moon.
Let's see if we can find something to fix the steering wheel.
Wow! Up here, flat tires don't matter. This no gravity is great.
Roads may be completely...
And the snowstorm.
Shouldn't we go faster, Spotty Leopard?
No, we have to take it slow. Slow and steady. Oh, hang on, kids.
Kids love the adventures of Huckle, Loli, and all their busy town friends.
Every day there's something new,
And you're invited too.
come visit Busy Town.
Pick up your copies of The Busy World of Richard Scarry wherever videos are sold.
The busy world of Richard Scarry.
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs.
Kids all over are going bananas over Bananas in Pyjamas. This hit preschool TV show is now available on video, and it's bunches of fun for everyone. Look for Cuddles Avenue.
This is Cuddles Avenue, where the bananas in pajamas live. Their house is the red one at the end of the street next to the beach.
and birthday special.
Happy birthday to you, B1 and B2.
Plus, coming soon, you'll find pink spots.
Pink spots? Pink spots could mean you caught the measles, Bob.
And show business.
Reba, 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 reba.
Kids love the adventures of B1 and B2 and their friends, the Teddies.
Let's go and visit the Teddies.
And Rat in a Hat.
I'm a rat, I'm a rat, I'm a clever, clever rat. It's party time!
Pick up your copies of Bananas in Pajamas wherever videos are sold.
It's time to laugh and play.
So have a happy day!
Come visit Busy Town. Lots of things to do and see.
It's so much fun to be!
A part of Busy Town. It will keep your spirits soaring.
While we're exploring!
Our busy world. Let's go. You can make a lot of friends
Wow, good times never end!
when you're in Busy Town. Each adventure and surprise.
Will open up your eyes!
It's such a busy world in Busy Town. Every day there's something new.
And you're invited too!
Come visit Busy Town. It's time to watch a show.
The Busy World of Richard Scarry.
Well, that was the opening to the busy world of Richard Scarry, the snowy day, the snowstorm. Anyway, this is Jeremy Roskis signing off.